Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Yes. Nice to meet to Mr. Piracha. Yeah. पता नहीं जिस किधर सड़े बस पराचा दे मिस्टर पराचा मेरे Allah was Muguzi. قسم په خدای چې چکر د وټو ټیم مارچ دی اپریل مارچ
Hello, I am Syed Mustafa John, and you are watching John Studio. This is 61st episode of Thailand series. Now we are going the Nasrullah Khan flat. Today our all day will be with Nasrullah Khan.
خو اتوار دی بند دی په شا طرف به نه ځو وله څنګه خوښه ده ما ته پته نشته
We've just stepped onto the vibrant Silom Road, one of the most exciting streets in Bangkok. Now we're heading towards the iconic State Tower, home to our dear friend Nasrullah Khan. Walking along this road with Majid Jan, Mahmood, and Ikram feels like a perfect blend of friendship and adventure. The energy of the city surrounds us as we make our way to the 28th floor of the majestic State Tower. This isn't just a walk, it's a moment filled with laughter, stories, and beautiful memories in the making. As we approach the tower, the evening breeze and city lights add a magical charm to our journey. State Tower stands tall like a symbol of elegance, and we're just minutes away from stepping inside. The excitement is building. We're about to enter the luxurious State Tower Lounge, a place full of class and comfort. From the 28th floor, a breathtaking view of Bangkok awaits us. Truly a sight to remember. Stay with us as we take you inside the heart of this magnificent building where friendship meets the skyline. We're standing on the 28th floor balcony of Nasrullah Khan's beautiful flat, and what a stunning view it is. From up here, Bangkok spreads out before us like a living canvas, full of color, motion, and life. The sun is shining bright over the city, lighting up every corner of this architectural wonderland. We, a group of close friends, are enjoying this peaceful moment high above the city streets. The tall buildings around us rise proudly into the sky, creating a majestic skyline. From this height, everything below looks like part of a detailed miniature model. It's a concrete jungle down there, filled with life, structure, and design. Bangkok is a masterpiece of architecture, with each building telling its own story. Some towers are sleek and modern, others classic and bold, but all equally impressive. The combination of glass, steel, and creativity makes this view absolutely mesmerizing. As I stand here, I feel like I'm flying, watching the city from an airplane window. This is not just a view, it's an experience, a moment that fills the heart with joy. The beauty of the city in daylight is something I'll always remember. Buildings big and small stand side by side, like brothers in a family of progress. The roads twist and turn like ribbons across the landscape, connecting every corner of the city. The shadows of towers stretch across rooftops, adding depth to this beautiful scene. From markets to malls, from parks to penthouses, Bangkok offers a perfect urban blend. Even the smallest rooftops and balconies below have a charm of their own. It's a calm, clear day, and the sky above matches the peaceful mood in our hearts. From this high, the hustle and bustle of the city feels like a quiet hum beneath us. The view stretches so far that it seems the city never ends. We're not just tourists here. We're witnesses to the beauty of urban life from above. This moment, this view, and this friendship make everything feel complete. Every direction offers a different scene, a new surprise for the eyes. The buildings reflect the sunlight, shimmering like crystals scattered across the land. We can spot rooftops, swimming pools, gardens, and glass domes from up here. This balcony has become our observation deck over one of Asia's most exciting cities. With every passing minute, the view changes slightly. Shadows shift, lights flicker, life moves. Standing here together, we feel connected not only to each other, but to the soul of Bangkok. And as I look out one more time, I silently thank this city for its beauty, its energy, and this unforgettable moment. It's a bright day in Bangkok, and now we're heading out for a shopping adventure near Nasrullah Khan's residence. Nasrullah Khan told us about a nearby cosmetic shop offering discounts on all major brands. So here we are, just a short walk from his flat. We've entered a shop that's a paradise for beauty and skincare lovers. The store is well lit, colorful, and filled with rows of neatly arranged branded products. From international perfumes to skincare essentials, everything here is available at great prices. It's exciting to see such a wide variety of cosmetics under one roof, truly a shopper's delight. Every shelf is filled with well-known brands, each one offering something special. The discount signs are shining like treasure maps, guiding us toward great deals. We're all busy browsing, comparing, and picking our favorite items. The atmosphere is energetic, customers chatting, testing products, and enjoying the shopping vibe. The staff is friendly and helpful, making our shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Lipsticks, lotions, face creams, perfumes, everything you can imagine is available here. I can see my friends holding baskets full of goodies. Clearly, the deals are hard to resist. Shopping here feels like a festival of colors, fragrances, and happiness. It's always fun to shop with friends, and today is one of those perfect shopping days. We're capturing not just the products, but the joy of the moment and memories with each other. This shop near Nasrullah Khan's flat is definitely a hidden gem for anyone looking for quality and discounts. As we leave the shop with our bags full and hearts happy, we know this was a day well spent. Show love and care to those who live near you, because small acts of kindness make the world a better place. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate your support. Keep in touch with me, and I will see you in the next video with more exciting experiences. Take care of yourself, stay happy, and keep exploring new places. Goodbye for now, and see you soon in the next video.